Right now, there's a battle happening in Washington, and it's about artificial intelligence. On one side, President Trump wants one set of AI rules for the entire country. On the other side, states like Colorado and California have already made their own AI laws. So what happens when they clash? That's what we're breaking down today. In March 2026, the Trump administration released a national policy framework for artificial intelligence. What does that mean in plain English? The federal government is saying, we want to control AI regulation, not individual states. Here's why they care. Right now, 45 states have passed their own AI laws. Colorado has the strongest one. California has several. This creates a problem for tech companies. They have to follow different rules in every state. One rule in Colorado, a different rule in California, another in New York. This is expensive, and it slows down innovation. The Trump administration is saying, we need one federal standard for AI. Their framework recommends Congress pass a law that would override state laws they consider overly burdensome. What would this new federal law look like? First, it would prevent states from regulating AI development in certain ways. Second, it would protect AI companies from state-level liability. Third, it would focus on permitting AI innovation while also addressing risks. But here's the thing. Congress has already rejected this approach twice, once in the One Big Beautiful Bill, and again in the National Defense Authorization Act. Why? Because both Republicans and Democrats worried that federal preemption goes too far. So what are states trying to protect? Colorado's AI Act requires companies to test AI systems for discrimination. California requires transparency when AI is used in hiring. New York City requires notice when AI evaluates job applicants. These laws protect workers and consumers, but tech companies argue they're expensive to comply with, and they slow down AI development in America while China races ahead. So what actually happens now? State laws remain in effect. Unless Congress passes new legislation, states keep their power. This means we're heading into a period of uncertainty. Companies don't know which rules will win, federal or state level. This is actually not uncommon in American government. We've seen this before with environmental regulations, privacy laws, and financial rules. Sometimes federal law wins. Sometimes states keep their power. Sometimes they compromise. Here's the bottom line. President Trump wants a single federal standard for AI. He believes it will boost American innovation. States want to keep their own protections. They believe federal deregulation puts workers and consumers at risk. Congress will ultimately decide, and that decision could shape AI development in America for the next decade. That's the System Breakdown. Subscribe for more videos explaining the systems that shape our world.